The purpose of this presentation is to provide a comprehensive overview of Beyond Meat by introducing the company's mission and operations, analyzing its financial performance, and examining the internal and external factors shaping its success. We will identify key strategic issues the company faces, such as market challenges and opportunities, and conclude with actionable recommendations to address these challenges effectively, ensuring sustainable growth and competitive advantage. Beyond Meat is positioned as a leader in the plant-based meat industry, known for its commitment to providing sustainable and innovative alternatives to traditional meat. The company emphasizes groundbreaking products development and environmentally conscious practices, aligning with the growing demand for healthier and more eco-friendly food choices. In most recent financial period, Beyond Meat reported net revenues of $93.2 million, reflecting an 8.8% decline compared to the same period last year. Despite achieving a gross profit of $13.7 million and maintaining a gross margin of 14.7%, the company faced significant challenges with operating expenses, resulting in a $33.9 million loss from operations and an operating margin of negative 36.4%. Ultimately, this translated to a net loss of $34.5 million or 53 cents per common share, underscoring the need to address operational efficiency and revenue growth strategies. Beyond Meat's net revenue experienced an 8.8% decline, reflecting a drop in sales during the period. However, the gross margin improved to 14.7%, signaling better cost management efforts. Operating losses amounted to $33.9 million, a reduction compared to previous periods, but still a significant challenge. The net loss stood at $34.5 million, a notable improvement from the prior year's $53.5 million, indicating progress in narrowing financial losses despite ongoing hurdles. Porter's Five Forces framework provides a structured approach to analyzing the competitive pressures and market dynamics that Beyond Meat faces. By examining factors such as industry rivalry, the bargaining power of suppliers and buyers, the threat of substitutes, and barriers to entry, this framework helps identify strategic opportunities and challenges, offering valuable insight for effective decision-making and long-term planning. The plant-based meat industry is marked by intense competition, with Beyond Meat facing pressure from established and emerging players. Impossible Foods stands out with a strong market presence and continuous innovation, while trading meat companies like Tyson Foods are increasingly entering the plant-based space. Competitors are heavily investing in product innovation, aggressive marketing strategies, and expanding distribution channels, heightening the need for Beyond Meat to maintain its competitive edge. The competitive landscape in the plant-based meat industry presents both challenges and opportunities for Beyond Meat. Increasing competition risks diluting market shares, requiring the company to continuously innovate and differentiate its products. High barriers to entry, including substantial initial investments, R&D costs, and established brand loyalty, offer some protection for incumbents. However, these barriers are not insurmountable. As new entrants with innovative products continue to disrupt the market, posing a growing threat and underscoring the need for strategic agility and sustained innovation. The bargaining power of suppliers significantly impacts Beyond Meat's operational costs and overall profitability, with a limited number of suppliers for key ingredients. The company faces higher pricing power from these suppliers, leading to increased costs. Additionally, the high dependency on specific suppliers exposes Beyond Meat to potential supply chain inefficiencies, which can further affect its ability to maintain profit margins and respond quickly to market demand. This reliance on a few supplier highlights the need for strategic sourcing and diversification to mitigate risks and improve operational efficiency.
The bargaining power of buyers plays a critical role in Beyond Meat's pricing strategy and overall profitability. The company must carefully balance its pricing to ensure it remains attractive to consumers while also protecting their profit margins. Consumers in the plant-based market tend to be price sensitive, which can impact demand if prices rise too much. Additionally, retailers hold significant bargaining power as their negotiations influence the pricing structure and profit margins. Both consumers and retailers collectively exert substantial influence on pricing decisions and demand patterns, requiring Beyond Meat to be strategic in its approach to pricing and distribution. The threat of substitutes presents a significant risk to Beyond Meat's market share. Consumers' preferences for alternative products, whether traditional meat or other plant-based and lab-grown meat options, create intense competition. To retain its market position, Beyond Meat must focus on product differentiation and continuous innovation, ensuring its offerings stand out in a crowded marketplace. As the variety of substitutes increase, the company needs to constantly evolve itself to meet changing consumer preferences and stay ahead of emerging alternatives. An internal environment analysis helps identify Beyond Meat's strengths and weaknesses, which are essential for leveraging opportunities and addressing potential threats. Using a SWOT analysis, we can highlight the key factors influencing the company's performance. Beyond Meat's strengths include strong brand recognition and a reputation for innovative products, positioning it well in the competitive market. However, weaknesses such as high operational costs and dependence on a limited number of suppliers pose challenges. Opportunities lie in expanding product lines and entering new markets, while threats include increased competition and potential market saturation. Understanding these factors is crucial for shaping effective strategies moving forward. Leveraging Beyond Meat's strengths is key to enhancing its market position and driving growth. The company benefits from strong brand recognition, which ensures high consumer awareness and trust in its products. Additionally, Beyond Meat's focus on innovative products allows it to consistently develop unique plant-based offerings that differentiate it from its competitors. These strengths provide a solid foundation for expanding its market share and maintaining a leadership role in the rapidly evolving plant-based meat industry. Addressing Beyond Meat's weaknesses is critical for improving its financial stability and operational efficiency. High operational costs are a major challenge to them, impacting overall profitability and limiting the company's ability to scale effectively. Additionally, the reliance on a limited number of suppliers for key ingredients create vulnerability in the supply chain, increasing costs and reducing flexibility. Furthermore, fluctuating financial performance with unstable metrics affects investor confidence and may hinder future growth opportunities. By addressing these weaknesses, Beyond Meat can strengthen its position and improve long-term sustainability. Capitalizing on opportunities is crucial for driving growth and expanding Beyond Meat's market presence. One key opportunity lies in product line expansion, where introducing new plant-based food products to a broader consumer base. Tapping into emerging markets with high growth potential presents another significant opportunity for the company to expand its reach globally. Additionally, Beyond Meat can leverage the increasing consumer focus on health and sustainability, aligning with growing trends that favor plant-based diets. By seizing these opportunities, Beyond Meat can accelerate growth and solidify its position as a market leader. Beyond Meat faces several key threats that could impact its market position: increased competition with more players entering the plant-based meat market intensifies pressure on the company. Market saturation in existing markets limit growth potential, making it harder to maintain momentum. Additionally, changing consumer preferences as tastes evolve pose a risk to product demand. To maintain market share and ensure long-term viability, Beyond Meat must be actively uh, through strategic innovation, diversification, and staying aligned with consumer trends. Beyond Meat faces several core strategic issues that must be addressed for the company's long-term success. Declining revenues are a significant concern, and there is an urgent need to reverse the trend of decreasing sales through improved marketing and sales strategies. High operational losses continue to impact profitability, requiring uh, cost reduction initiatives to enhance financial performance. Additionally, intense market competition necessitates the development of strategies that will help Beyond Meat's be different from itself in a crowded and competitive market. Addressing these key issues is crucial for the company's turnaround and future growth. When considering potential strategic actions, it's essential to weigh the costs against the benefits to ensure that the best outcomes are for Beyond Meat. Product diversification involves costs such as R&D and marketing, but the benefits include the creation of new revenue streams through a broader product range. Cost optimization initiatives, which require investments in process improvements, can lead to reduced operational expenses and increased profitability. Market expansions come with costs related to market research and entry strategies, but the benefits include the acquisition of new customers and access to high growth markets. By carefully evaluating the feasibility and potential impact of each strategic action, Beyond Meat can make informed decisions that drive sustainable growth.
Total addressable market analysis helps estimate the overall market size for plant-based meat products, providing valuable insights into the industry's growth potential. The market for plant-based foods has high growth potential, driven by the increasing consumer demand for sustainable, healthy, and environmentally friendly food options. By identifying untapped markets and new consumer segments, Beyond Meat can uncover significant growth opportunities and target areas for expansion, further strengthening its market position and driving long-term success. Strategic recommendation number one is product diversification, which offers several key benefits for Beyond Meat. By expanding its product range, the company can attract a broader customer base and reduce its dependency on a single product category. To implement this strategy, Beyond Meat should invest in R&D to develop new and innovative products, while launching targeted marketing campaigns to promote these diversified offerings. By moving beyond plant-based meats and introducing other plant-based food products, Beyond Meat can tap into new markets and strengthen its position in the growing plant-based food industry. Strategic recommendation number two focuses on cost optimization to improve profitability. First, Beyond Meat should optimize production processes by implementing lean manufacturing techniques, which can enhance productivity and reduce operational expenses. Another key action is negotiating better supplier contracts to secure more favorable terms and lower input costs. Additionally, improving supply chain efficiencies by streamlining processes will further reduce costs and increase operational effectiveness. By taking these steps, Beyond Meat can significantly improve its bottom line and maintain long-term profitability. Strategic recommendation number three is to expand into new markets, both demographically and geographically. Demographically, Beyond Meat should target new customer segments such as health-conscious consumers and flexitarians. This expansion will increase market reach and diversify revenue streams. To implement this, the company should conduct thorough market research to identify target markets and develop localized marketing strategies tailored to each market segment. Geographically, Beyond Meat should enter into emerging markets with high growth potential, allowing the company to tap into new consumer bases and drive further global growth. Strategic recommendation number 4 focuses on strengthening marketing efforts and forming strategic partnerships to drive growth. Beyond Meat should partner with retailers, food service providers, and influencers to expand its reach. These partnerships will help increase brand awareness and enhance market penetration. Successful implementation requires identifying and collaborating with key strategic partners who align with the company's goals. Additionally, Beyond Meat should enhance brand visibility through robust marketing strategies, including targeted campaigns that resonate with specific consumer segments. Allocating a sufficient marketing budget will ensure that these initiatives are effectively executed and contribute to long-term growth. The strategic recommendation number 5 is to focus on health and sustainability, two key factors driving consumer preferences. Beyond Meat should leverage the health benefits of plant-based products by highlighting their nutritional advantages in marketing campaigns, positioning the brand as a leader in healthy eating. Emphasizing the environmental benefits of plant-based diets will further align the brand with the growing consumer demand for sustainable food choices. This approach strengthens Beyond Meat's positioning as a health and sustainability leader. To implement this, the company should develop marketing content focused on these themes and engage with consumers through social media and educational campaigns, further fostering brand loyalty and consumer trust. To successfully implement the strategic recommendations, a detailed action plan is essential. First, we'll establish a clear timeline with both short-term and long-term goals for each recommendation. Resource allocation will be crucial, with a defined budget and assigned personnel to drive these strategic initiatives. Key performance indicators will be set to track progress and ensure success. The steps include conducting market research and feasibility studies, developing and launching new products, optimizing supply chain and production processes, and executing targeted marketing campaigns and partnerships. Finally, ongoing monitoring and evaluation against KPIs will ensure that the strategies are effective and adjustments are made as needed. In conclusion, we've thoroughly analyzed Beyond Meat's financial performance and identified key strategic issues impacting its current standing. These challenges include declining revenues, as highlighted in our financial analysis slide, with a decrease of 8.8% year-over-year, and high operational costs, which were discussed in the context of the company's gross profits and operational losses. Furthermore, the increasing intensity of market competition, addressed through Porter's 5 Forces analysis, shows the company's need to adapt to rising competitive pressures from both new entrants and established meat companies. To address these challenges, we've proposed several strategic recommendations, including product diversification, which will help Beyond Meat attract a broader customer base and reduce dependency on a single product category. As discussed, diversifying its product line can generate new revenue streams and enhance long-term growth. Additionally, cost optimization strategies were outlined to reduce operational expenses and improve profitability, ensuring a more efficient use of resources. Geographic and demographic market expansion, as we examined, will allow Beyond Meat to tap into new high-growth markets and engage with emerging customer segments, such as health-conscious consumers and flexitarians. Strengthening its marketing strategies and focusing on the growing consumer demand for health and sustainability, as explored in the health and sustainability focus recommendation, will help Beyond Meat align its brand with these important trends and reinforce its position as a market leader. Ultimately, with these strategic interventions, product diversification, cost optimization, expansion, and enhanced marketing, Beyond Meat has the potential to turn around its financial performance, achieve long-term profitability, and continue to lead the charge in the plant-based food industry. This comprehensive approach, grounded in our analysis of internal and external factors, will ensure that Beyond Meat stays competitive and resilient in the rapidly evolving food industry.